What is up, BBs? It's been a while, but we're back. We are back in Las Vegas for New Year's Eve and our first wedding anniversary. We got something special for you guys. We are in the Aria and we are in a deluxe king room. Let's check it out, y'all. So as soon as we walk in here at the front door, we have our closet space and our kind of front area here. Let's open one of these up just to see what it looks like. Hey, there's my stuff in there. We got these drawers up here. Anything you want to put in here. More closet. For your second person, there's your iron and ironing board. Of our full body mirror here. What's up, y'all? I'm going to turn right around here and go into this bathroom. And this is a beautiful bathroom, guys. We got double sinks, nice large lit mirror. Got that lit close-up mirror. There's our toilet room right here. Nice artwork on the wall. Our toilet here. Now, this is the real big piece of this bathroom, guys. Look at this beautiful big shower / tub. Oh man, this is amazing. This is gonna be great after a night of relaxing. There's your shower here. You see we got the nice deep big tub here. Man, that's gonna be amazing to chill out in at the end of the night. So here, let's go into the bedroom section. We have a nice view outside. Right here directly in front of me is the Planet Hollywood, and then right next to it is actually the Hilton Grand Vacations Alara. You can see the tram there actually. We're gonna be staying here in a couple days, so we'll do some more on that soon. Have our 2 chairs here, a little desk in between, nice big bed, pillows look super comfortable. Have our nightstand with our drawers and this nice little iPad or setup here. You can do whatever you got to do. It's got all kinds of cool stuff attached to it. This here actually pulls out and it's like a little desk kind of area, so that's pretty cool. We got some extra drawer space in here. One more down here. Turn around. Nice big TV, nice desk area. Now we got the dreaded mini bar area here. You don't want to mess with any of this stuff. It's all sensor, pressure stuff. It's going to charge you. Way expensive. You don't want it. Here, got all the stuff in here. Alcohol, snacks, all that kind of stuff at a ridiculous price. So again, we're gonna leave it alone. Close that. And got your ice bucket and some glasses here for you to use. And look at this view outside one more time. This is beautiful, guys. And with that, that is it, guys. We'll check back in with you in a little bit. Love you guys.